This is the first Teva walking sandal that I ever bought 8 years ago. This one is called the Teva Minam, and I've been extremely happy with it. The design of the sandal is simple. You have a strap at the front, which is adjustable, and this goes over your foot. You have a strap here in front of your ankle, also adjustable, and then you have a strap in the back. It's also adjustable, plus there's a soft cushioning pad right here behind the ankle. The fact that each of these three straps is adjustable will ensure that you will get a very, very comfortable fit, especially if your feet are a little bit different in size like mine are. The Teva sandal will give you a very comfortable walking experience. If you look at the sole here, it is thick and substantial, so it's not like those barefoot sandals. This is going to give you real support. One of the unexpected benefits that I discovered when I got this pair of Teva sandals is that I could actually take them swimming. And I really like the fact that these dry up quickly and they're waterproof, and they give me that extra sense of comfort if I'm swimming in a river or a lake where the bottom is unfamiliar. I like the protection that the Teva sandal gives me. If you're looking for an excellent lightweight hiking sandal, definitely pick up a pair of Tevas. Learn more about these Teva sandals with the links in the description below the video. To watch my full video about my newest pair of Teva sandals, click or tap the screen right here. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.